Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. AliExpress, I got a parcel from them today. This is not a repair video. I am going to check a flux from mechanic. Let's open the parcel. Before we open, I'm very surprised. Uh, this item came from Uzbekistan. Zalkaro Pochtami from Turkestarskaya, Republic of Uzbekistan. Anyway, I was expecting it to come from China, but it's not from China. It is from Uzbekistan. Even when I was tracking the parcel, it was showing me that the parcel is coming from Uzbekistan. Okay, it's very strange because the product inside is Chinese make. Let's open it and then have a look what we have it inside. Right. It is made in China, but probably someone in Uzbekistan listed themselves as a seller, as a shop selling this. Let's open the package and see. It looks nice to eyes. Comes with two needle. One is very big, you can see, the other one is small. As you guys can see, it's quite big, both of them. And then you got this one, the plastic one. I think this one this is the thinnest one probably. I still have to cut or not? No, there is a hole. There is a hole. We don't have to cut it. But let's have a look. I read review on this flux that comes with a plunger and everything. That's very good. I want to show you guys the other flux that I have from real life. Is a yellow one. This is a clear one. Now I see there is a bubble inside. Okay, some YouTubers or repair guys, they say the bubble is a problem, but on this one I have one bubble, not many, just one. So what I will do, I am going to let this bubble rise there and it will eventually come out itself. Okay, but it's like water. It's very clear, guys. Look, traditional flux is like this. The reason why I ordered when we use flux, certain flux doesn't work right when you do the soldering and stuff. But a lot of people has been praising about this one, that they are doing the work very well. Unfortunately, I wanted to buy 5 of them, but this flask, the one that with a special price or a on cheaper price, we can't order more than one in AliExpress. Each person can only order one of this. as soon as I go to, they simply just say I cannot buy this product more than one. Right. It's a funny thing. I don't know why, but to me it's strange. We will check the flask just in a bit. Let me see if I can remove that. That bubble is now on the nozzle. I wonder. It's trying to push itself out, the bubble. What if I push this one needle in? Yeah, I think the bubble is out. I think I don't see anymore. Um, it's quite liquidish, so I'm guessing when I'm not using it, um, it is going to push out. It is going to push out. Let's have a look if it's any good to use it. Okay. Hello, hello. I'm going to quickly get my soldering iron, and then we're gonna test. Well, I'm not an expert on this, so obviously I'm not going to be able to do a review. Just a normal use. That's all I want to see how it's um, compared to my normal flux. Okay, let me get the soldering. Okay, I've got my soldering iron. Let's check it out. How does this? But I'm gonna use the microscope. Okay, I will put the overhead camera off and then use the microscope cam. Okay. Okay. Right. Let's put it on 350 degree. I normally use on that temperature. Should we use a syringe? I think we should. Right. Let's use this one, the yellow one. Yeah. Eh. Yeah, if you use the small one, you have to press quite hard. And I will say pull it little bit backwards, or you can't pull it because the plunger comes out. It's gonna ooze out. We can't stop from doing that anyway. I'll use also some mechanic soldering wire. Mijler. Honestly speaking, it is doing its work. Yeah. And it's not, check the color, it's not burning very quickly. See, if I use this normal one, yeah, this one, I can promise you this will burn way quicker than. We can try here the normal one. You can see the difference. The smoke is more. Where can we do it? Where can we do it? You can try here. Well, this normal one they say is a rosin flask, but I don't know. I cannot say it's yellow. So basically they try to look like a rosin mixed flux. Maybe they are. Well, there is a resistor that I knocked it off, yeah. But if you look at it here, guys, and look at here, I will say I am more comfortable with this side. See, let me zoom it more. I can still see, even though it's starting to now get yellow. The flux is still activating my shoulder. Yeah, you can see. Check there. All right, if we clean, and how does it look? Is it difficult to clean? They say it's easy to clean, everyone. I doubt it, but let's see. No way. Can you guys see how easy it's, how easy it is to clean this flask? This is the mechanic clear flux, right? Let me try to clean my traditional one, the cheap one. Well, this mechanic is also cheap. And look, I I hope you guys can see the difference. There's still, you can see there the traditional flux, the flux is still there, and this one nothing. Well, I saw this flux, this one, on YouTuber JFix's video. He made a video with this flux, and I'm gonna love this one when I wanna work. But anyway, this video was for that, but I am thinking let's try to also test this one. The one, I have a short video that I made few weeks back. Let's test this one and see. All right, before we go further, look, this one I bought it from Take a Lot. It was 120 rand, and this is 120 rand for 10. Only difference is this one is thinner, good for your normal your cell phone repair stuff. We are going to try both and see if let's try the cheap one, expensive one, sorry. Alright, we got some there. Now I'm gonna use my expensive Hoot Vic. Honestly speaking, I really don't like to work with this one. You can see, or maybe my skill is not good. Let's put again, and we're gonna use the new one, the cheap one. Even if they are the similar quality, then I'm fine with it because the price, similar quality, cheaper price. Oh, guys, this is way better. Trust me. I can feel. I can feel it. It's way better. Trust me. It's got one more. I'm more comfortable to work with this cheap one. The reason is the heat is transferred quicker than my expensive one, which is good for me. So I'm happy with this also. You you Kilun. You guys can buy it on GSM Africa shop. I'm going to show you guys where I bought it, and I will show you guys some other tools also there, what is available there. I wanted to make this video or this type of video for long now. Let's do it. It's gonna make the video a little longer, but look, some of you are interested on repair tools. We have a video for that. Let me quickly put my soldering iron off and Microsoft off. I am pleased with this one, guys. Honestly, I'm going to order more because flux. You always need flux on repair work. There's always you need flux. So when I have chance, I will order more. Right. Let's go and see the website that we have. Which website it is? Okay. First, where is my Chrome? Right. This is the website that I am buying stuff at the moment. It's a cool website with lots of things on it. Trust me, guys, it's a lot of things. As you guys can see, they have section wise. You can see. I ordered this one. This I ordered last week. Where is it now? This one. I'm very excited. I'm waiting for it, and check there. It's now out of stock. So probably they send me the last one. You understand? When I ordered, there was stock, and the order happened before yesterday. Today is 12th of December. I ordered it on 10th of December. Now it's showing me no stock. Okay, let me little bit make it bigger. You can see it's out of stock. And then I ordered a couple of things on that certain tools. The thing that making my eyes water is this. The thing that the tool that I really want, which is they have it on stock. Uh, Look, I show you guys this one. Quanly 6558 Gorilla Trinocular. That is one. That what I want. And you see next to it YCS Dragon Arm 360. This is actually this arm is actually suitable for this. So this two item I really want. I don't have the money to buy it. You can see 6,250 rand for the microscope. Then the arm is 1590, and then this microscope has its own type or own 4K camera, which is this 4,200 rand for the camera. And then you can add on that microscope, this Quanly 256 thermal camera, which you can add on the microscope. So that's my future target. I want them. See, and there is many more options for the microscope. You can see a lot of options. So yeah, I just simply love this microscope, and there isn't a many review on this microscope. Like, how does it feel to work with it? Yeah, everyone just test it. Picture is clear, and that's it. But how you feel when you are working under this microscope, I haven't seen a video yet. So the time I have this, I want to make a video with that. One more thing that I must buy, need to buy, is this. You guys obviously remember on my last video that I did with where I showed you that I bought a programmer for memory chip programmer. I bought this one. As you can see, 5,100. It was last week, 3 days back, it was 4,900. This I paid 5,400. Now it's 5,100. It went down to 4,900. Now the thing that I want or I need to buy with that box is this one, which you can see 5,350 rand. Well, honestly speaking, 6 months back this package was 9 grand, and that box, this package was 6 months back it was about 7,000-8,000 rand for this 3 adapters. And that box I showed you that I've already bought, this light set was 9,000 rand early this year. And all of a sudden the new eSIM box, EasyJet Plus eSIM version came, and then the price dropped, and it is very good price. And then I also want in future as my secondary tool or as my secondary programmer tool is this one, Flash 64 box, but not now, probably somewhere next year. The reason is I want this box that I bought, I want this box to make the money for this Flash 64. As you can see, the full set is 11,000 and it's not cheap, you see. So the one I bought, this must make money for me to get that one. I don't want other box. I only want this two. One I got, I want the second one. Next year probably. The GSM Africa shop. It's a shop, physical shop in Bloemfontein in South Africa. So I been asking around for this website, and everyone assured me that that is legit website, and then I started to buy. Well, there is a little bit of complication. You guys gonna struggle to, I will not say complication, when you need to add fund on this on your account. So that's a bit tricky. But the WhatsApp, it has a WhatsApp support number that you can speak to with them on this WhatsApp number, and then they help you to add fund, and then you can buy. When the fund is there, then you can buy stuff. Delivery, they use courier service mainly, and courier service from Bloemfontein to Vredendal. It's, I think, 1000, no, 900 to 1000 kilometer difference. For my previous order took about 3 days, 4 days I got my stuff in my hand, so it's also very quick. They charge you 100 rand for the delivery, which is way, I will say, it's very fair and cheap price for a delivery for a courier. I It's, this website is fascinating me. It's just there's so much things that you can, everything. I feel like buying everything, but money, that's the thing. And trust me, guys, this stuff, if you want to buy AliExpress, some of them will be cheaper to buy in AliExpress, but as soon as you think of customs and the shipping charges, then the price goes up than what we have here. So I will say indefinitely or definitely, this website's price is great. They are simply good place to buy tools for cell phone or electronic repairs, you see. um, but yeah, I'm going to end this video because I was only intent to make the video for this, but nothing wrong to add some more stuff on it. um, as usual, if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe, and share my channel's info to your friends and family, and I'll see you guys on the next video.